Jai Hind cadets. We are back here with the story of one of the most renowned war hero, Major Somnath Sharma Paramvir Chakra PVSN. Major Somnath Sharma was the first recipient of the Paramvir Chakra, the highest Indian gallantry award. Before moving forward, let me tell you, there were two field marshals in Indian Army. The first, the Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, whose full name was Sam Hormozji Premji Jamshedji Manekshaw, was awarded Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan in 1968 and 1971. Field Marshal is an honored rank and it was given to him just 14 days before his retirement in 1973, 1st of January, and he retired on the 15th of January 1973. Sam Manekshaw, we have to award him Major Somnath Sharma sir. In the war of 1971 November, the Pakistanis has invaded the India's Kashmir. He died evicting Pakistani infantry and raiders from Srinagar airport during Indian-Pakistan War or Indo-Pakistan War in 1947-1948 in Kashmir. He belonged to the 4th Kumaon Regiment, one of the most honored regiment. Somnath was born on 31st January 1923 in Brahman family at Dad in Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. He came from a well-known military family. His brother, Major General Amarnath Sharma, was also a military officer retired as Director Medical Service Army, as were his brother Lieutenant General Surinder Nath Sharma, retired as Engineer in Chief, the General Vishwas Nath Sharma, retired Chief of Army Staff 1988-1990, and his sister Major Dr. Kamla Tiwari. His father sent all his brothers and sisters, all his siblings, to give service to the nation. After completion of his education and selection in the army, he was commissioned into 8th Battalion 19th Hyderabad Regiment after 4th Battalion Kumaon Regiment of the Indian Army, the British Indian Army, on 22nd Feb 1942. He also saw combat during World War in Arakan Operation. Somnath Sharma D Company of 4th Kumaon was airlifted to Srinagar in 31st October 1947. On 3 October 1947, his company was ordered on the fighting patrol of Badgam village in the Kashmir Valley. The tribe Lashkar of 700 raiders approached the enemy from three sides and sustained heavy casualties from the ensuing mortal bombardment. Sharma realized the importance of holding into his position, as both the cities of Srinagar and airport would be vulnerable if it was lost. Under heavy fire and outnumbered 7 to 1, he urged his company to fight bravely, often exposing himself to danger as he ran from the post to post. When heavy casualties, Edwards attacked the firepower of his company. Major Sharma, with his right hand in pistol, took upon himself the task of filling the magazines and using them to men operating light machine gun. While he was busy fighting the enemy, the mortal shell exploded on the ammunition kept near him, injured him grievously. He lost message to the brigade. Headquarters received a few moments, but he martyrs. The last message was the enemy are only 50 yards from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I shall not withdraw an inch, but will fight to our last men and last round. This manner, Major Somnath prevented the whole of Srinagar and arguably the Kashmir Valley of Pakistan by sacrificing his life with great bravery. I cannot show you, but I'm just having the goosebumps after reading this line. The line was really very great by Major Somnath Sharma. I'm reading it again for my pleasure. If you want to just leave this video, you can. The enemies are only 50 yards from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I shall not withdraw an inch, but will fight to our last man and last round. So, thank you so much. Bye.